Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Akshay. Happy birthday to you. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this vlog is all going to be about Akshay's birthday celebration. This celebration is kind of special for us because we have never been together on his birthday before. So this is like the first time celebrating it together. And so I had planned a small surprise for him, and there's nothing much, just some cake, flowers, and this small setup that I had done to surprise him. So we had decided we won't go anywhere out to celebrate his birthday. We just wanted to be home and cook some good food and just spend the whole day together at home. So you'll be seeing lots and lots of cooking in this video. So hope you enjoy my video. It's like, oh god, ये लड़का इतना adamant क्यों है, ऐसे मान ही नहीं रहा है. I am scared. I think ये बड़ा होगा. Large size है, but this is I think cash, ऐसे loose fit type. वही तू केक कहे गंदा कर लेगा. नहीं. और ये जब पहन क्या मैं केक खाती हूँ. So I tried to wake up a little early that day, but so because I wanted to make kheer for him. This is a ritual which we did. Actually, my parents did at home for everyone's birthday. तो हर time सबके birthday में घर पे खीर बन रहा है. So I wanted to carry on that tradition with me, and हाँ फिर सोचा मैं उठ के अक्षय के लिए भी खीर बनाऊंगी. And this is my mom's recipe, and yeah, it turned out to be really good, really good. Sarapra dilo. So the kheer was almost ready, and yeah, my mom was there in the video call talking to me. And so I really like to fry the dry fruits in ghee. Okay, so it really enhances the flavor of kheer. So you can it's a very good thing to fry the dry fruits in the ghee, and then fry it for some time till it starts to look like little puffed up. Okay, you'll see in the video before adding to the kheer, it'll look really puffed up. Yeah, like this. It'll turn a little brown and puffed up. So now you can add it to the kheer and give it a good stir to it. Trust me, the kheer was delicious, like just the way I like it and just the way my mom makes it. It was really nice. It's lunchtime now, and I had not thought about lunch, what to make, and instantly I was like, oh, that day the chow mein which I made was really nice and all that. So I thought like मैं फिर से बनाऊंगी the same chow mein, but I didn't have the same noodle. So I had some rice noodles with me. So I thought I'll make stir fried rice noodles. So I had kept I like to prep my vegetables before making anything. So I had cut everything, I had kept the sauce ready. So now I stirred all the vegetables in the pan. Okay, I love garlic, so I add garlic in almost all the food. So I stirred all the vegetables, and this was the first time making a rice noodle. So I had watched few videos, and they had told like no need to boil it because it gets soggy, so you can just soak it in warm water. So I just took the warm water and soaked it in for some time. So by the time I kept it to soak, I making sure the vegetable is all ready and cooked, and I'm adding some pepper and red chili. Okay, and adding some eggs on the sides, some fried eggs. And he didn't help me cook. Okay, it was his birthday, so I didn't make him work that much. He just came because I wanted to shoot this egg shot. Yeah, that's all. So this is nice, you don't have to use another pan to again stir the eggs and all, so you can use the same pan. Yeah, the noodle is all soaked up, and I was not having a good vibe. I was not getting a good vibe from the noodles because I think it was already too soggy. I should have just changed my mind and just changed the noodle, just used Maggi instead of it. Or I think that was the only noodle I have. And and why, but yeah, I would have just used Maggi. But no, I thought like it's okay, I'll just give it a try. And here comes the noodles. It was already too soggy, and I was not feeling good about it because I really put so much effort in chopping the vegetables, stir frying it, and everything. And I was sad that it didn't turn out the way I wanted. I wanted it really stir fried, like how we get stir fried chow mein in Indian street food. So I wanted it that way, but nah, it became really, really soggy. I was sad. Yeah, but just looking at it, it did look good only, like though it was not looking like a stir fried noodle, but it looked like some dish. I don't know, maybe you get it in some restaurant, but look wise it was nice, and I wouldn't deny the taste was also nice, but it was too chewy. You'll see it in the video that whenever when you're eating, it's all chewy.
नहीं देखना है तो खराब लग रहा है तो मुंह बनाना, जब अच्छा लगता है
अच्छा लग रहा है।
अच्छा तो लग ही रहा है, तो तेरा वही तो क्या पता, थोड़ा सा वही है, पर उतना भी मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लमेटिक नहीं लग रहा है।
सेवैया बन गया,
सेवैया अच्छा ही लग रहा है ऐसा। अरे ऐसे बोल रहा
ढोकला जैसा लग रहा है। It's dinner time now, and for dinner we had decided to make something fancy. Okay, so we went on to make salmon steak. So for that, I had some masalas at home, so I took all the masalas and made this beautiful blend of marination. And I think we kept this fish to be marinated for an hour, and after that, in a pan, took some butter and some garlic, and pan fried the fish for quite some time, like how you slow cook it. Okay, so we did that, and oh my god, the fish, it really turned out to be so good. Okay, and yeah, of course it turned out to be really fancy, and yeah, I hadn't expected that it would turn out this good, but trust me, it was really nice. And I think this is a very simple, easy recipe anyone can make at home. इसको भी पलट और बटर। हाँ, अंदाज लगा ना हम कितना
अच्छा लग रहा है।
the steak was all done. So for the sides, I kept it really simple. I just took some beans and fried on the leftover butter that was there, and yeah, it was a nice side to have with the fish.
तो बीन्स खाया।
उफ, कौन बीन्स खाता है पहले?